Everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day today. First of all, well, it's June 2nd. Another month just passed, so we're starting June this weekend, and it's already June glooms, particularly today here in Los Angeles. Not only was it a little bit chillier than expected today, talking about June gloom, but also this morning there was an earthquake that happened here around this. It's the epicenter is in, I believe, in South Pasadena. So it's like for me it felt like there's as if a giant just crashed onto the earth, like fell on the earth, and then that boom sound, and then the uh, like hard thump kind of a feeling, kind of an earthquake. And I was watching the news this morning, and they said, "No, you're not imagining things. It is a real earthquake." I don't. I believe the. I'm not gonna take a wild guess what the Richter scale was for that earthquake this morning. Okay, let's move on. Well, for this video, I'm finally gonna do my take on the Twilight collection from Colourpop. So I'm joining the Twilight bandwagon, and I only got these two products. So this is the palette, and this is the one called that liquid liner called Forever. It's a green. It's the green one eyeliner. So I'll see if I can focus on that. I feel like, let's see how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 rows of shadows. So you know the deal with me. So I feel like doing maybe the first 3 shadows. We'll see how I feel. Definitely the first 2 rows, and maybe the third one. We'll have to see. I'm gonna have to break this video up in 2 parts. Okay, let's get started. So anybody who knows me, if I do a makeup tutorial or try on of any of these products with these palettes with 3 vertical rows, that's what I do. Okay, no concealer, no eyeshadow, primer, none of that stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna go for the first row right here. It's gonna be my very first time using this palette. So okay, let's see. I'm gonna say it out loud. I'm gonna use this fluffy eye blender brush. I'm gonna put it on the crease. So let's see how this goes. Okay. Oh, it's like with this light, it's similar to my skin tone. Okay, I see it. We'll fall out on the pan. Okay. Okay, I can see it. It looks like gray. And so I'm gonna take okay. I'm gonna go for Edward. I feel like putting it on the lid. Which eyeshadow I'm gonna use? And brush I'm gonna use. I feel like using. I'm gonna do the flat eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna put Edward. Wow, this is so pigmented. But dang, I have to blend, dang. Gotta do something. I feel like not patchy, it's like, oops. Yeah, there you go. I'm not feeling like putting it on my finger, you know. I'm just gonna pat it like this. Okay, that's better. Wow, okay. I have to blend it really well. Okay, that's okay, I feel better about that. Okay. So, and then for the last color in this row, Impossibly Fast, I feel like putting it in the outer corner of my lid. I don't know which brush I'm gonna go for. No, not this one. Precision brush? I have no idea. What is this one? I'm just gonna go for this blending brush. I'm just gonna put it. I'm just gonna, I guess, dot it on the. What? Hmm. Oh well, okay. I'm just gonna go for it. I'll just take this blending brush, whatever. This Possibly Fast is really dark forest green color. I'm gonna go like this. I should have used the C brush. By the way, I'm using e.l.f. Brush set. By the way, I'm just gonna go like this. Pretty dark when I did it like this. Lightened up. Let me see. Shoot. I'm gonna use the same fluffy eyeshadow blender brush. Let's see. Just gonna play by ear. Okay. All right. So. Take this one. All right. I'll just take this blending brush and I'll go back to Edward. Put it on lightly on my. I'm all afraid that's gonna be patchy when I put it on my brow bone. Just put a little bit more in. You have to really blend it. This Edward color, as you can see, it's pretty patchy. If I just have to really blend that Edward color, but it is pigmented. Remember, no concealer, no, yep, nothing. No primer, nothing. Okay. Okay, that's the first row. Okay, I'm gonna go for the second row. Okay, here we go. All right, what am I gonna do now? Okay, and the other eye, I'm gonna have to go. I feel like doing this C brush. I feel like doing Bella. Bella is brown because of her chocolate brown eyes that's described in the book. So let me do it again. Not as pigmented as I thought. Okay, there you go. Never mind. Yeah, I don't want to go all the way to the crease. Just try to aim for the halfway point. Okay. So I'm gonna go for the Collins, this beautiful shimmery purpley color. And I feel like using this flat shader brush again for that color. Let's see how it goes. Whoa, it's like soft to the touch. Have to be careful. It feels a little creamy on the brush. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, like Edward, it's a little patchy, but that's okay. At least it's more blendable than the... Yeah, it doesn't take too much time to blend the colors out. Oh, that's very pretty. Wow. Oh, it looks like a blue color in this light. And then I'm gonna go for Unconditionally. So what color am I gonna go? I mean, what brush am I gonna... I'm just gonna go for Unconditionally on the brow bone. This, okay. Ooh, powdery. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Ooh, my God. Whoopsie! Oh my God. Okay, I'm just gonna... Oh my God. Okay, okay. Just gonna go blend, 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 blend. Wow, that is pigmented like, ooh, Lord. Oh, oh, oh. Blend it, blend, blend, blend. Blend, 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 blend. This one. Oh, yeah. That's how we feel. Okay, that's the second row of this palette. Okay, I'm gonna go for one. I might as well go for one more for this part one of this Twilight palette makeup tutorial. Try on. Okay, let's see. Sorry for the pause. Alright, so yeah, they're all shimmery colors, this third row. I'll go for the third row right now. So my guess would be to put, I think I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go, I feel like doing Irresistible in the inner. I'm just gonna guess, but hopefully it's not as dark as I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna do it in the inner. Oh, good. It's light. Yay! When it comes to crease shades, I refuse to use. I like the mid-tones, matte colors, not the shimmery ones. I don't do that. Oh, that's very pretty. So I'm gonna go like this. Okay, okay, that's pretty, 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 pretty. Okay, I'm gonna use this same brush right over here. This time I'm gonna go for Lion and Lamb. You know what? Maybe I'm gonna try this brush instead. I'm gonna take Wing It. I'm gonna go for this detail crease brush. So I'm gonna take Lion and Lamb. I'm gonna do it in the outer corner, not a V, but just outer lid, like right. might go like that. Just gonna guess how to do this. Okay. Well, I like the third row the best so far, in my opinion. I don't know how it looks like. Okay, okay. Okay, looks okay, in my opinion. So I think I'm gonna go for this angled small angled brush. I'm gonna take that lion and lamb and put it. Okay, and then I'm gonna go for this small precision brush. I'm gonna go for prom night in the inner lower corner. Try to blend it, marry it with the lion and lamb. Okay. And finally, I'm just gonna go and put prom night on my outer lid. I mean, in my, make sure, a little bit more subtle, but more blendable than Edward, in my opinion. There you go, and okay. I'm gonna use MAC. I'm gonna use this MAC a lip balm in Nova. Okay. All right. That concludes my part 1 of the Colourpop Twilight collection series. Until my next video very soon. Peace out. Bye. And see you later.